So good afternoon, ma'am. So today I'm going to explain. Here is the LCD crystal again. The board, the LCD crystal, LCD is to put in 6 pin, so column 16 and 2 rows. And here is to put the trigger pin and 09. And in echo pin, it will put in the 10 pin. So it will the float duration as and the distance, the duration. The distance here we're going to set up, put the LCD in it to initialize the LCD. Then here is to open the backlight. Here is to trigger pin to open output mode. Here is to configure the pin to input mode. We're going to put a loop. Now here it will be generate the 10 microsecond first trigger pin, and now it will delay, and then low will be here is to measure the duration of the echo pin. The duration pin, the duration US equals to pulse pin is echo pin is high. Here's to calculate the distance. The distance equals to 0.07. Duration here is will clear, and it will here is to LCD set cursor. It will start to print first row, which is the distance and the LCD pin, and it will be delayed for 500. So that's all. So this is the code, ma'am, na ako na then if mo siya ang motion sensor, tas if imong i-close sa ganina kay ang distance kay mo low, if layo kay mo taas yung value sa distance. If close, no, pag yan pa anak, no. Oh! Ano na siya? Code. Atong explain.